Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well, to your good health. Just got done shooting a stove video, making a cup of coffee. And I wanted to make the announcement that it's very busy here at the park today. That I'm going to be taking a little break from YouTube for the holidays. Halloween is Monday, so tomorrow. Today is Saturday the 29th. Should be the 29th. No. Yeah, it's 29th. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, which I'm working all day tomorrow on my day off. But I took Friday off, so it evens out. So Monday will be Halloween, so happy Halloween. And then Tuesday, yeah, then Thanksgiving is, you know, a few weeks after that, what, 3 weeks? And then Shitsmas, you know, Christmas. The only reason I call it Shitsmas is because it's just so commercialized now. It's just like, well, anyway, I was just thinking that, you know, it's like Christmas is all about presents, and Black Friday, you gotta go to the store and push people around and clawing at products and stuff. It's like, and I'd be willing to bet most people don't even remember what the true meaning of Christmas is anymore. So now I call it Shitsmas. I still like Christmas, but anyway. Yeah, I've been basically going full steam at my channel for months. I mean, I had that little hiatus when I was having computer issues, but that was out of my control. You know, thankfully I've got it fixed up now, but yeah, I've just been going full steam. 6 vids a week is a lot for any channel, and on top of having to work full-time as well. I've been asked, you know, how I manage, and honestly, I don't even know how I do it sometimes. It's like, just, you know, when I go out and shoot, I don't just shoot one video, I'll shoot, you know, several. 3, 4, sometimes 5, 6. When I camped with my bro, and then like literally the next week I went out and shot. I went out for the day and did the beef stroganoff video, which you've seen, I'm sure you've seen. If not, it'll be linked in the bullet description. And then that video I shot a bunch of other stuff, and then the very next day I went hiking and shot video for that. And then the week after that we went camping again, so I got a lot of footage at home that I'm going to be uploading. I've got a whole nother camping trip in the works. I'll start editing that this weekend, I think. After that I'll have another hike, and then probably the coffee video that I just shot, plus the lunch I'm going to make after this, I'm still going to do, so that'll be that. And then I haven't filmed anything in a few weeks, but everything is going to kind of go on hold until the holidays are over. So basically, New Year's. Now I don't know what's going to happen after New Year's. I don't know if I'm going to continue. I don't know if I'm going to make any channel changes. I doubt I will. So Monday will be the shout out, which I already filmed. I just have to edit it, which, you know, if you probably noticed, I've got a clean intro and I've got a clean exit already filmed. I got a whole folder full of outros I can pick through. So I literally just have to draw the name and then put the video together, and then I post it. So easy, piece of cake. And then Tuesdays are the local eats. I shot one yesterday, which I just remembered I have to go home and finish it because I gotta record the menu online. So I'll do that. And then I'm gonna continue doing Cast Iron Wednesday, which I already shot, by the way. It's already shot and filmed. I just gotta edit it, which is really easy to edit because I don't have to trim a lot of the stuff off the end, because I can just hit the camera, talk, hit the camera. Although I did actually use both cameras this time, so there might be a little bit more involved in the editing, but And then Thursday I don't feel upload anything, and then Friday it's just whatever it is I'm doing in the woods. It's I'm either out camping or hiking. Like this weekend I was hiking. Gear reviews if I'm doing one or something. So I got at least 2 cooking videos coming. At least 2. Well, 3 now with today's lunch, so that'll be in the works. And then yeah, we'll see how many weeks it runs. Might run 2 weeks, maybe 3. And then yeah, I'm just not gonna be shooting anything anymore. We're not gonna be shooting anything for a little while until after all the holidays are over. So take a little break for me. Now if I get a wild hair up my ass and I decide, man, I'm gonna go out and shoot some breakfast, or I'm gonna go out and shoot a lunch video, then I'll just come out and do it. You know, I'm not gonna be stressing about, you know, gee, I gotta get a video out this week. You know, the weekend's coming. Oh no. And yeah, so Local Eats is on hiatus. Now I still want to continue hiking, so that will probably, there'll probably be hiking videos, you know, popping up here and there, because I could use the exercise, but also I actually enjoy it. You know, I like getting the steps in, and I like seeing the views. So I'm thinking about doing one, not tomorrow, but then next Sunday, because we had to put it on hold because of some circumstances. But so there might be some hiking videos, but they'll be a little bit more sporadic. I'll just, when I get it up, I'll just post it. And then the cast iron Wednesday, I want to keep going. I actually already shot my cast iron Wednesday cast iron cooking video already. I might actually do a second one today because I got an idea. So there's always that. And then so the cast iron Wednesdays will continue, the shout outs will continue, everything else will just be up in the air. So if a weekend rolls by and, you know, mid-November and there's no video, well, because I didn't shoot anything. Now a company might reach out to me and say, Mark, can you do a video for this item? And then I'll look at it and I'll think, you know, I can do that. I can do a video for that. I can come here to the park. There's a park near my home. I can shoot it at home. I'd rather not. So I can try to get that video up. I come here because it's covered and it rains a lot here in Washington. So I guess that's about it. So yeah. So I'm not going away. Just taking a little breather from the channel. So I do want to get out hiking more though. Man, it's a good cup of coffee. It's that Wildland coffee I've been drinking. I gotta finish up the what is it? Oh, the Black Rifle. I gotta use all that up because I've got like 2 bags of it I haven't used. So I gotta take this video home. I gotta edit it today, and then I'll upload it for midnight. And then I gotta go to work tomorrow. Doing a 12-hour shift. Ugh. So, alright, well, let me know what you think in the comments below. I do appreciate all of you watching who has stuck with me for as long as you have. It's appreciated. My brothers, my sisters, much love and respect. I will catch you in the next one, and as always, have yourselves a fantastic day.